It's not a bald, don't worry, don't worry. You say it's going bald. What are you up to today?
I'm gonna get supper, gonna have barbecue.
That's it.
Yeah, come on.
Happy day. Today we finished by 5 o'clock. Yeah. I had a customer of mine, you know, like the same thing. He came with a long hair and he asked for something short, like yours actually. But like the funny things for his wife are right here. Who's that? She didn't recognize him. But she loves it actually, she loves it. Because it's a nice style actually when you do like skin fade, high fade on the sides, like 3 or 4 on top. It's good, easy to take care about it. You don't need to put any gel or something like that. And also it's good for days.
choice barber.